Hello, I'm Anu from Just Tutors, and in today's video we are going to learn about division. So let's move forward and see the subtopics that we are going to cover in this video. We are going to learn the relationship between division and multiplication, and then we are going to learn how to divide two-digit number by one-digit number, and then divide 0 by a non-zero number. Now let's move forward and try these warm-up questions. You can pause this video and try them up, and once you are done, you can resume and check your answers. Here are the answers. Thumbs up for trying them, and congratulations if you are correct. Now we will move ahead towards the topics. So the first topic is to find the relationship between division and multiplication. So at first we will talk about division. So in division, we try to share things fairly. The division symbol is represented by this. We can take an example where we use division. Like if we are going to divide 18 by 3, we will write it as like this, 18 and then division symbol and then 3. Now let's talk about multiplication. We use multiplying where we need to do adding multiple times, and it is denoted by the sign. Like if you're going to write 5 times by 8, we will write 5 and then the symbol and then 8. Well, dividing and multiplying are connected to each other, as they both do undo each other, just like adding and take away. So we can say it like multiplying and dividing are inverse operations of each other. You'll get a more clear picture with an example. So let's do an example. Here's a question. 3 times 8 is 24. So we have multiplied them together. Now if we divide 24 by 8, we will get 3. So as we can see in these two examples, the multiplying and dividing are undoing each other. So we can say that they are called inverse operations. Now we will move forward and learn about the second topic, which is dividing two-digit number by one-digit number. But before, we will talk about the terms that we use in dividing. So here's an example, 33 divided by 3, that makes an 11. So the number which is being divided is known as dividend. So 33 is the dividend here. And the number by which we are dividing is known as divisor. Here we are dividing 33 by 3, so 3 is the divisor. And the result of the division is known as quotient. So 33 divided by 3 makes an 11. So 11 is the quotient. And the remaining value, whichever is left, is remainder. And here nothing is left, so 0 is the remainder. Now we will work out on a question. So there's this question where we'll have to divide 37 by 2. So it is done by this method. This is called bus stop method that we are going to discuss now. Here the number that is being divided is kept inside, and the divisor is kept outside. Now we will have to figure out how many 2 goes into 3. That is 1, so we will put 1 here and 2 here and a 0 as placeholder. Then we will subtract 20 from 37. That will make a 17. Now the next step is to see how many 2 goes into 17. So 2 times 8 is equal to 16, and 2 times 9 is equal to 18. So 16 is less than 17, so we can say that 8 2 goes into 17. So we'll put 8 here and then 16 here and then take away 17 from 16. That will be 1. So 1 will be the remainder. So we can represent the final answer as 18 and then R. The R represents the remainder and the remaining value, which is 1. So 18R1 is the final answer. Now we will move ahead towards the third topic, which is dividing 0 by a non-zero number. So whenever we divide 0 by any non-zero number, the answer will always be 0. Like in this case, 0 divided by 7, that will be a 0. Similarly, if we divide 0 by some other number, let's suppose we are dividing 0 by 9 here, the answer will be 0. Similarly, if we times 0 by any non-zero number, the answer will always be 0. Like if you're going to times 0 by 4, that will be a 0. Similarly, if you're going to times 0 by some big number this time, let's take 112, this will also be a 0. So whenever we divide 0 by any non-zero number, the answer will be 0. And similarly, whenever we multiply 0 by non-zero number, the answer will be 0. Now it's time to practice some questions. Here are the questions. You can try them out. You can pause this video and try them out. And once you are done, you can resume and check your answers. Here are the answers. Very well done for trying them. And congratulations if you're correct. That is all for this video. Thank you for watching this. And for more, please visit justtutors.com.